Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best snack set is probably one of the most convenient ways to enjoy your favorite treats. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who loves to snack, this set offers a perfect solution. It's designed to keep your snacks fresh, organized, and easily accessible, making it an ideal companion for your daily routine. Get ready to elevate your snacking experience with this must-have set. Number 5. CRAVEBOX 45-count Snacks Variety Pack. This CRAVEBOX is packed with a variety of sweet, salty, and savory snacks. It's the perfect care package for anyone who loves a good treat, with something for everyone to enjoy. Inside, you'll find a mix of popular brands and individually wrapped goodies. It's a convenient and delicious way to enjoy your favorite snacks, whether you're at home, school, or the office. This snack box is a great gift for any occasion. It's a thoughtful present for college students, friends, or family members. They'll appreciate the variety and convenience. Get ready for the holidays and finals week with this snack box. It's perfect for stocking stuffers or a study boost. It's a great way to show you care. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, this snack box is a great choice. It's suitable for all ages and perfect for sharing or enjoying on your own. What we like. This snack box offers a wide variety of sweet, salty, and savory treats, perfect for any craving. It's ideal for gifting, whether for college students, office colleagues, or anyone who enjoys a good snack. If you're looking for a convenient and diverse snack solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great variety snack box. Healthy snacks, salty snacks, and sweet snacks all in one convenient box. Wide variety of snacks, cookies, candy, chips, crackers, etc. Individually packaged, making them easy to grab on the go. Number 4. PJ Wood 2-pack folding TV tray set. This folding TV tray set is specially designed for your TV watching needs. It's the perfect companion for your dinner while you enjoy your favorite shows. The table comes fully assembled. Simply unfold it, and it's ready to use. It's ideal for placing your food or laptop on for comfortable work from home. Made from solid wood, this table is sturdy and features a sleek black design. The set includes 2 trays, providing you with extra space and convenience. The collapsible design allows you to easily store the snack tray table. It provides a simple storage solution when not in use, saving you space. Whether you're working on your couch or enjoying a meal, this folding end table offers a great balance of utility and comfort. It measures 19.09 inches long, 14.57 inches wide, and 25.98 inches high. What we like. This folding TV tray set is designed for ultimate convenience while you're relaxing. Its sturdy build and foldable design make it easy to store and use anywhere. If you enjoy watching TV or working from home and need a simple, practical table, this set will be a great addition. What people say. These mini foldable tables come in handy quite often when I want to eat and watch TV, then put away to keep an open space in my small living room. The build feels durable and long-lasting. It cleans well. It has maintained its quality and characteristics over time. The white color seems to match most aesthetics themes. You can easily fold and unfold. They don't feel heavy so you can move them around without struggle. It's capable of holding all your essentials when eating. It doesn't wiggle around. The folding tray is lightweight but very sturdy, easy to handle and store, and it is an attractive accessory. Easy to unfold and fold. Sturdy, and perfect for a movie dinner front of the TV with the girlfriend. So far they seems to hold well, despite the fact that we are putting some weight on them from time to time. Number 3. Simple Orchard's Holiday Nuts Gift Basket. Indulge in a sensory journey with this lavish nut gift basket. This gourmet collection features premium almonds, roasted cashews, delectable pistachios, and honey-kissed peanuts. It elevates any occasion with a symphony of flavors. Experience the pleasure of gifting or receiving a meticulously arranged assortment of nuts. This gift package is more than just a treat, it's an expression of thoughtfulness. The blend of textures and flavors creates a symphony of delight. Crafted with care, this nuts gift box boasts more than just flavor, it's a wholesome delight. Packed with nourishing almonds, protein-rich roasted cashews, vibrant pistachios, and the sweet allure of honey peanuts, it brings both indulgence and nourishment. Celebrate moments big and small with this nuts gift basket. Whether you're searching for a birthday surprise, a heartfelt thank you, or a token of appreciation, it caters to various preferences and dietary needs. Elevate your gifting game with a touch of gourmet elegance. Delight in the act of giving, knowing you're presenting a nut basket that's not just an ordinary gift, but a testament to exceptional taste and quality. The diverse nut flavors are carefully curated to satisfy every craving, making it a perfect expression of care and affection. What we like. This gourmet collection of mixed nuts is a delightful and healthy treat. It's beautifully presented, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. If you are looking for a sophisticated and nutritious gift, this nut basket is a fantastic choice. What people say. The snack set is perfect for portion control. The containers are leak-proof, which is a huge plus for packing snacks. The set is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 2. Frito-Lay Snack Variety Pack, 40 count. This is the perfect snack solution. It's a care package filled with 40 of your favorite Frito-Lay snacks, ideal for any occasion. Brighten someone's day. This variety pack is designed to delight friends, family, and co-workers with a wide selection of treats. Inside, you'll find a mix of salty and sweet snacks. It includes cookies, crackers, chips, popcorn, nuts, and pretzels. Each snack is individually wrapped for convenience. You can enjoy them on the go or share them with others. It's ideal as a care package for students, military personnel, campers, or office colleagues. This is a great way to show you care. What we like. This care package brings together a collection of classic Frito-Lay snacks. With a mix of chips, cookies, and crackers, it caters to all tastes. If you like the convenience of individually wrapped snacks and the familiar flavors of Frito-Lay, this is the perfect option. What people say. The snack set is perfect for portion control. The containers are leak-proof, which is a huge plus. The set includes a variety of sizes, which is great for different snacks. Number 1. Nabisco Team Favorites Variety Pack, 30 snack packs. Looking for a delicious and convenient snack option? This variety pack is perfect. It includes a mix of everyone's favorite bite-sized treats. Inside, you'll find mini versions of classic cookies and crackers. This includes Oreo Minis, Chips HOY Minis, and Teddy Grahams. Enjoy the same great taste you love, now in a smaller, more manageable size. These snacks are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's after a game, a school lunch, or a quick treat, these snack packs are ideal. They are also great for trick-or-treating and stocking stuffers. Each pack is individually wrapped, making it easy to take with you. It is a convenient and tasty snack option for any time of day. What we like. This variety pack features bite-sized versions of classic Nabisco favorites. It's perfect for sharing or enjoying on the go. If you're looking for a convenient and fun snack pack with familiar flavors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The snack set is perfect for portion control. The containers are leak-proof, which is a huge plus. The set includes a variety of sizes, making it versatile for different snacks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.